Well, hello everyone, this is my third video. Together, we are going to paint Toothless in 6 different models. The first one is the shadow. I take off the black marker and blacken wherever I can, even myself. Now I'll take the white and draw over the lines with it. This white is really on my brain, just between us. Then I have to fill it in with highlighter. Okay, well. Now it's the next turn, which is supposed to be original. Let me tell you how this idea came to me. One day I was just scrolling through YouTube and I had no idea what to draw that you guys would like. Suddenly, I saw Nicholas Moraine channel where he draw Toothless and many people like it. I said, how about I draw it too? Of course, in a different style. Okay, I'm using 3 colors for his eyes: blue, green, light green, and yellow. I hope it looks like similar. Wow, I really like this combination. It's time for a cool model that I think you like it. Eyes. First, I paint the lines with a deep blue. The blue color turned pale. We reached a nerve-wracking glitch. I use blue and red. Okay, let's talk about how to train your dragon. One of the coolest animation ever made. Dragons, wide flight, epic battles, and of course smart little dragons with no teeth that somehow became everyone's favorite. Toothless was the definition of cool, fast, mysterious, powerful, and honestly kinda cute too. Imagine if you took an X-ray of Toothless, what do you think it would look like? An interesting question came to me. Before I say, I only use black and white. Now, I want your truth. If Toothless was yours in real life, what would you do? Train him? Fly with him? Or just scream and run? Leave comments and let me know. Wow, guys, I fell in love with this X-ray. This is the last part. Drip. Wow, guys, it's so beautiful. Tell me, what do you think? Do you really think it's good or bad? Well, guys, we're getting close to exciting part. This is my opinion on 6 different models. I fell in love with X-ray and original. Which one did you like the most? Be sure to tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me what you would like me to draw next time.